between the chewing of the food, the grinding of the food. Okay, so in lower stages only you will have the molars, and they will also come at different stages. Okay, everyone is having a different stage at which the molars grow. इनको विजडम टीथ भी बोलते हैं. विजडम टीथ यानी अकल की दाढ़. ओके, सो इफ यू आस्क योर मदर एंड फादर, दे विल टेल यू कि ये कभी कभी दे गिव अ लॉट ऑफ पेन व्हेन दे ग्रो. Okay, these molars, they are called wisdom teeth, and they grow at a later stage, and they are bigger and broader, and they sometimes give pain. They are very painful sometimes. So these are the 4 type of teeth in our mouth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, now a tooth, if you see the structure of the tooth, the white portion which we see, the white part, it is called as the crown region. crown region यानी मुकुट. मुकुट जैसा दिखता है, इसीलिए इसको crown region बोलते हैं. Then the part where your gums, that is your flesh is joining to the teeth, that part is called as the neck region. Okay, और इसके नीचे एक पार्ट ऐसा है जहाँ पर योर फ्लैश इज नॉट जॉइनिंग और इट इज़ नॉट कनेक्टेड विद द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ योर टीथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द रूट ऑफ द टूथ. ओके, सो व्हेन आई टेक द टूथ, देयर आर 3 मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ टूथ. क्राउन रीजन जो हमें दिखता है, वाइट पार्ट. Then the red gums, है ना, skin. The skin and the tooth both are attached, connected, which is called as the neck region. और इसके नीचे होता है root part of the tooth. Okay. Now inside, when I see inside the tooth, I can see that there is this white part, white, strong, very hard part, which is called as enamel. Okay, so enamel is the covering of your tooth. Tooth का बाहर का लेयर है जो बहुत strong है, white color का है. This is called enamel. Okay, inside the enamel is the dentine. Now this dentine region is a bit brownish in color. Seen, it is given in the picture that dentine is a bit different in color from that white enamel. And then comes the inside most part, which is pulp. Now in this pulp there are nerves, there are blood vessels. So fleshy part है ये. Okay, flesh वाला part है. So this enamel is the hard white covering of a tooth, and it is the hardest part of our body. There is another part below the enamel called the dentine. Below the dentine lies the pulp. सबसे अंदर होगा pulp region. Pulp region is having blood vessels and nerves. So whenever you feel pain, ये pain कहाँ से आएगा? ये pulp region में होगा. Because there are nerves and blood vessels, वहाँ पर दर्द होगा. Okay, so this pulp region gives you the pain. So this was the structure of the teeth, and we learned the types of teeth. Okay, now how to take care of the teeth? इनको संभालना क्यों ज़रूरी है and how? Now see, once you are born, you are not having any teeth. छोटे babies, when you see, they don't have any teeth, isn't it? They get their teeth after some months. And these teeth are called milk teeth. What are they called? Milk teeth. Now these milk teeth are temporary teeth. They are temporary, यानी थोड़े years के लिए सिर्फ रहते हैं. When you attain the age of 6 years, जब आप हो जाते हो एक 6 years के, तो ये milk teeth गिरने लग जाते हैं, they start falling off. And instead of the milk teeth, you get permanent teeth which are stronger and which will remain for the whole life. Okay, so once these milk teeth fall, you get permanent teeth, and these permanent teeth are then there forever. If you lose them, if for some reason वो सड़ जाए और गिर जाए तो आपको फिर से ये teeth नहीं मिलते हैं, they do not grow back. Okay, so these permanent teeth are very very important because we need the teeth to chew our food. So when the teeth fall, the permanent teeth fall, you do not get any teeth back and you will have to eat very soft food. For example, your grandparents, they must have lost or are losing their permanent teeth, so they cannot chew strong very hard things, isn't it? soft चीज़ें ही खा सकते हैं. So this is why the permanent teeth should be taken care of, because you will not get them back. So how to take care? You should brush your teeth twice daily. एक तो सुबह उठ के ही first brush your teeth, clean your mouth, and then before going to bed at night, रात को सोने से पहले भी you have to brush your teeth and clean your mouth. Okay, for cleaning your mouth you can use mouth freshener. Okay, that is a liquid which we get in the market, with which we gargle करना यानी गरारे करना, गड़ करते, right? So that is called gargling. So with this gargling what happens? Germs in the mouth can be killed. Germs मर जाते हैं, जो भी germs है वो सारे मर जाएंगे, इसलिए using mouthwash is very good. You can also use dentine floss. Dentine floss is a very soft thread-like thing with which you can clean the spaces in between teeth. दो teeth के बीच में जो gap है, इसको clean करने के लिए we use the dental floss. So use dental floss, brush twice daily, and mouthwash also you can use for cleaning your mouth and taking care of your teeth. Also visit the doctor, the dentist. Okay, so the dentist you can go to after 6 months, a year, okay, at least, so that your teeth are in proper condition or not, you come to know. Okay, so go to the doctor and get checkup, and if there is some problem, get the treatment. Okay, क्योंकि एक ही बार आए हैं permanent teeth, बार बार नहीं आएंगे, so you have to take care of them. Also chocolates, cakes, they have a lot of sugar in them, and the germs also love these sugars, so they attack your teeth and they eat your teeth. Though they are very strong, germs ये भी खा जाएंगे, इसीलिए you should not eat chocolates and sweet things more. Okay, you should always eat fruits, salads, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. This is very helpful, and your teeth also become strong because of them. So eat fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. Also eat calcium rich food like the nuts, cheese, okay, eggs. They are very very good in calcium. They will help to make your teeth stronger. So you have to take care of your teeth by eating these things and not eating sweets and chocolates very much. Okay, so by these things, by taking care of these things, you can take care of your teeth. Okay, that is it for today. Please read and revise the chapter.